I'm going to show you how to use a Gua Sha tool properly and also go over some of the benefits of why you should be using one and what it's going to do to change your skin for the better. Let's get started. For today's video, I'm using a Gua Sha from the cute company Sachu. Look at this adorable packaging. And this is the stainless steel Gua Sha. So this is the Gua Sha tool itself. And as you can see, and this is cold to the touch. So that is going to be so great for depuffing and moving all of the lymph and the toxins out of your skin and really massaging and getting everything moving. Now with a tool like this, you do need to have some type of vehicle to make this glide over the skin. And Sachu actually has a specific Gua Sha serum. And I was looking at the ingredients and really it's more of just like a massage oil. So this isn't a serum that you would wear. It's a super cute bottle. Look how that matches. This is so cute. So really the purpose of this serum is just for the movability so that you can glide and slide the tool across your face because you don't want to go into using a Gua Sha against your dry skin. It's not going to be comfortable and it's not going to be good for your skin. So the recommended use with your Gua Sha is 3 to 5 little drops of this on your skin. And as you can see, it's just very clear. You can see the consistency of this, which is perfect for you to be able to use this and go ahead and just glide the product over your face. So you want to think about this as a constant motion of moving that fluid that just doesn't move itself. The toxins need a little bit of assistance. Gua Sha refers to the ancient technique of massaging the face in the scraping motion. This effective facial treatment helps release muscle tension and increases stimulation to reduce the look of puffiness and dull, tired skin. With regular use, Gua Sha promotes a smooth, radiant, contoured complexion. Now, how to use your Gua Sha? Use with a facial oil or serum that provides a lot of slip, like the Sachu Slick Skin Gua Sha serum. Start from the center of your face and scrape outwards using firm pressure. Use the small divot on the nose bridge between the brows and jawline and use the larger edges on cheeks and forehead. Use 3 times a week or as often as desired. When you're finished, this cute one comes with a little velvet case. I recommend keeping this somewhere where you see it so that you do this 3 times a week and you will really see results.